What's for dinner? Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to my channel, Chef Z Cooks. Today I'm going to be making a highly requested video. I'm going to be showing you how to make Chofan Dominicano. And all chofan really is, it's a Dominican style Chinese fried rice. Now, a few things about this dish. Number one, I want you guys to have so much fun when you make this dish because this is one of those dishes that you can freestyle to your heart's content. So you can use leftovers or you can make it from scratch and you can use a variety of different meats. I personally love making my chofan with some chicken and some smoked ham because I really love how the smoked ham and the chicken kind of play off each other. And real quick, that smoked ham with the sweetness from the carrots I'm going to add later on is to die for. Like, I really just love that combination. Now, I'm using some carrots that I boiled ahead of time, and once they got soft, I diced them up, but you can also use frozen veggies. And bonus, if you want to go ahead and add some seafood, so if you want to add some shrimp and spice it up, go ahead and be my guest. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a really fun dish to make because you can use a variety of different veggies and you can also use some leftovers to make chofan. So first things first, we are going to make some white rice. Now I am making my white rice from scratch, but you can definitely use some leftover white rice. And keep in mind that I do have a video here on my channel that shows you step by step how to make the perfect white rice. So while the rice is cooking, we're going to move on and we're going to start seasoning the chicken. Now I mashed some garlic, but you can definitely mince some garlic if you like. And afterwards, we're also going to add some ground Dominican oregano, or regular oregano will also work. A little bit of sopita, which is a chicken bouillon cube, but you can also use some adobo or your favorite seasoning salt. Some black pepper to taste, and we're going to mix this all together until it's well combined. Now we are keeping the seasoning to our chicken fairly simple because we are going to infuse so much flavor later on whenever we are making this rice. And now we're going to take some oil and we're going to add it into a heated skillet. And you want to make sure to use a skillet with deep sides. And we're going to add the chicken and we're going to brown the chicken on all sides. Now, you definitely want to cook your chicken all the way through, but you don't want to burn the chicken either. So make sure to give it a stir every so often. And I like to add about 1/4 cup of water just to create a little bit of steam to help that chicken really cook all the way through and stirring it here and there. And after about a few minutes, I want to say about 5 to 10 minutes, once the chicken is cooked all the way through, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our smoked ham and we're going to continue cooking it until everything has browned and gotten some beautiful color, just like you see here. Now once that chicken is cooked all the way through, this dish comes together super quickly. So we're going to add all our veggies. We're going to add our onions, our green peppers, red peppers, and we're going to saute them. Now I personally like when my veggies have a little bit of a bite and they're a little bit crunchy, so I'm only going to saute them for about a minute, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the soy sauce. Now I do recommend using some low sodium soy sauce just to keep the sodium levels in this dish a little bit low, and we're going to mix that all together until it's well combined. And now we're going to add the star of the show, which is some white rice, and we're going to mix the rice in until it's beautifully coated with all the seasoning, but more importantly until it's that beautiful even color from the soy sauce. And once you finish mixing in all of the rice, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our carrots. Now I mentioned earlier that I boiled my carrots ahead of time so they're nice, soft, and sweet. So I like to add them at the very end so that they don't become mush. But if you're using frozen carrots, go ahead and add them whenever you're adding the other veggies. So we turn the flame down and off to the side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to scramble some eggs. Now keep in mind that you can make this dish ahead of time, but you definitely want to add the scrambled eggs at the very end because you don't want to overcook your eggs, because whenever you overcook the eggs, they become rubbery and it's just not that fun to eat. So once you've scrambled the eggs, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to add it into the rice, and very gently you wanna go ahead and fold it in. Now do keep in mind as well that eggs are totally optional in this dish. In fact, you can freestyle and add whatever kind of veggies you want. You can add some bean sprouts, you can add some peas. Listen, go ahead and add whatever you want. That's what makes this dish so much fun. And at the very end, I like to go in and I like to add some scallions. Now I love scallions, and the scallions also provide a really nice crunch to this dish. So there you guys have it, my recipe on how to make Chofan Dominicano. Let me know what you think down in the description box. If you have any questions, visit my website, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next week, I'm Chef Z, y buen provecho. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Now don't go anywhere. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you don't miss out each and every single time I post an all new video. Now lucky for you, I have so many more videos and you can click on them right here.